Hey everyone, so today we're going to prep the car for putting some Rain-X on the windshield. It's about 40 degrees out here, and we're going to try this out and see how this applies. But first we'll have to prep the windshield again with the famous glass stripper and clean the windshield and dry it and all that stuff. To complement this Rain-X too, I'm also using these Rain-X wiper blades, latitude water repellency, and they are supposed to apply Rain-X 2 to the windshield. So I'm looking to see how it's going to do with having both the Rain-X wiper blades with this on there, using the bottle of it, and cleaning the windshield really good to see how this does in the rain. So the first thing we got to do is clean this water off here and use the invisible glass on it and clean it like that, and then we'll get to the other part. Okay, so we got the windshield all clean, and now we'll strip the glass down. Okay, so we got all the glass stripper on there, and our next step is to rinse this off, and then we'll apply the Rain-X. Alright, now our next step is to apply the Rain-X, and we'll be done. Okay, so I finished up the windshield using invisible glass and Rain-X, the glass stripper from invisible glass, and I cleaned the inside of the windshield too, and that's the finished product. Hang on, I'll turn the